Hi guys, it's Ellie here from SQUID's customer success team. Today I wanted to reach out to you to show all of our premium subscribers how easy it is to create and send a push notification via your SQUID portal. For any business, regardless of size, communicating and marketing to customers outside of your shop's premises can be incredibly difficult. So SQUID gives our premium tier businesses an effective and simple way to talk directly to their loyal customers' phones. So I'm here today to show you how easy it is to design and send out one of those push notifications via your SQUID business portal. So firstly, if you log on to your SQUID portal, you'll land on your dashboard, which shows all of your analytics from your loyalty scheme. Today, we're going to go to the left-hand toolbar, click on the notifications tab and select new campaign. As you can see, we have some pre-made templates that are available for you to use. These templates have filters applied to your audience and targets people, for example, win back customers who have stopped visiting, or remind customers with reduced activity to come back into your store and use SQUID. You can also start from scratch with a blank campaign, which I'm going to demonstrate to you today. So by clicking this button, we get into the page where you can create that push notification. Up top, you can see we have a message saying you can only send 2 push notifications every 30 days. This is to prevent the user base from being spammed with multiple messages, turning off their push notifications, or even leaving the app altogether. Firstly, we have to name our campaign. This will only be visible to you, but it'll help you with analysing how your push notifications have performed compared to other push notifications to see what your loyal customers respond to best. Secondly, the message header. This is the first piece of text the app user will see when they receive the notification. It's capped at a max of 40 characters, so the text doesn't get clipped automatically by the phone screen. The best tip is to keep this short, clear, intriguing, so they open up the notification and see the second element, the message body. The body is the meat of the push notification. Detailing the purpose is max 150 characters. This should also be snappy and clear, but most importantly, have a purpose so your customers know to click the push notification and engage with your business on the app. Scrolling down, you can decide on what app page you want the users to be directed to when they click on the push notification. Number 1, the app homepage. 2, their SQUID wallet. 3, your business profile page. And similarly, if you have a listing on our About Your marketplace, you can direct them there. You're also able to add in a URL to an external web page if you don't want to direct them anywhere within the SQUID app. So that URL could be anything from your social media to your website link, whatever it is you want to direct them to. Next is scheduling for date and time. Fairly straightforward. However, we ask that you schedule at least 48 hours in advance of when you want the notification sent. That's so our approvals team in SQUID can just make sure there's no spelling errors and the message that's going out is appropriate. Lastly, the exciting part is filtering your customers. SQUID allows you to specifically target customers based on their regular location or scheme, age profile, or by customers who do or don't use a specific loyalty scheme if you have more than one. Further, you can specifically segment the notification audience by their stamping frequency and usage percentiles, whether their usage is increased or decreased in a specific date range, and by whether they haven't stamped in the last X days. At the top, you can easily see the estimated number of loyal customers that you can target via this push notification. It's important to note that this is just an estimate. Some app users, probably like yourself, tend to mute notifications for certain apps by default or when they download an app, but we know that SQUID users are fond of our notifications if they have a clear purpose. And that's it. You're all set to send out your push notification 2 times a month. Hopefully this was helpful. Please feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or need help with anything else SQUID related. Thanks everyone and have a great day.